Let's solve this equation together. It says a plus b is equal to 20 and a times b is equal to 44. How do we do this? Now, the first thing, we can express a in terms of b to be equal to 44 over a. Now, let's substitute b with 44 over a in the first equation. Alright? Then we can say 44 over a plus a is equal to 20. Alright? Multiply each term with a. Alright? So we have 44 plus a times a is a squared to be equal to 20 times a is 20a. Now we're going to have a squared minus 20a plus 44 is equal to 0. Alright? Now, moving on, we can now say that let's solve this using the formula of quadratic equations. Okay? So we can now say that this becomes equal to minus this, which is minus 20, plus or minus square root of minus 20 squared is 400. Minus 4 times this all over 2 times 1, which is 2, and this is equal to a. Right? Hence, a will become equal to minus 20 is 20 plus or minus square root of 400 minus 76 all over 2. This becomes equal to 20 plus or minus square root of 100 minus 176 is 224. Okay? All over 2. And this becomes equal to 20 plus or minus square root of 224 is the same thing as square root of 16 times square root of 14 all over 2. Now a becomes equal to 20 plus or minus square root of 16 is the same thing as 4 times square root of 14 all over 2. A now finally becomes equal to 10 plus or minus 2 root 14. Okay? But recall that we said that b is equal to 44 over a. Now it means that b will become equal to 44 divided by 10 plus or minus 2 root 14. Alright? So which one will go first? Let's try for minus first. So we have that b is equal to 44 over 10 minus root 2 root 14. Rationalizing, multiply by the conjugate of the denominator. So multiply by 10 plus now 2 root 14 over 10 plus 2 root 14. Right? Now b becomes equal to 44 times 10 plus 2 root 14 all over, this is the difference of 2 squared, so we square this 100 minus we square this 2 squared is 4 root 14 squared is 14, so 4 times 14 is 56. Now b becomes equal to 44 into 10 plus 2 root 14 all over 44. 44 strikes 44, so that we are left with b to be equal to 10 plus 2 root 14 when a is equal to 10 minus 2 root 14, which means that when b is equal to 10 minus 2 root 14, a will become equal to 10 plus 2 root 14. And these are the answers to this given question. Thanks for watching. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Have a nice day.